All right. So we're going to solve this for r. Got to find the value for r. All right. And so what we need to know, because I'm assuming most of us have issues here because we have a fractional or rational exponent, so we go, I don't know what to do because we don't like fractions. And so is there another way I can write that to get it back in the form in which I have been solving? I can write it in radical form. And so with that, can anybody tell me what the radical form of r to the 1/3 is? Cube root of r plus 10. Okay? Cube root of r plus 10. And so our rule is, if we're going to solve it, we got to get the radical by itself. And so don't call it square root. It's not a square root. Okay? And so this is going to become 5 equals the cube root of r. What do I do to the cube root to get it by itself? I'm going to cube it. Okay, I'm going to cube it. And so when I cube that, I cube this side. And so therefore, 5 cubed is 25 times 5, with 625.
No, 25?
125. Equals r. Now, those of you that don't think we really have anybody that struggles with understanding the fractional exponents, and this probably appeals to maybe one person in here, but there's another way that we can do this right here without having to convert it to radical form. Okay, so if I move the 10 across, this is going to be 5 equal to r to the 1/3. Okay, and so if I perform the power rule, this is going to be 5 cubed equals r to the 3/3. And so therefore you could see what's actually happening. Instead of taking my word for what the rule is doing, you can actually see that that 3/3 is going to make it 1. R to the power of 1, because 3/3 reduces to 1. And so that's how you cancel out the radical as well.